Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I just filmed my makeup therapy cause there's a lot of going on recently and I thought to myself, why not create something that makes people relax? So you just saw my bare face a couple of seconds ago and now I'm putting some aloe vera gel. This has been my favorite skincare since I got the package and now I just can't live without it. Don't forget to put on some sunscreen even if you don't go outside, because this sunscreen will protect you from harsh ultraviolet rays that your cell phones, laptops, and television screens emit. Well, I have a huge pimple in my forehead and I don't usually break out. I only get a pimple once in a while, but when it appears, it's huge. This is another holy grail that I've been using since I can't remember. During my lazy days, but I have to go outside, like go to work, do some errands, meet a friend, I just put on some BB cream and I'm good to go. BB cream stands for Beauty Balm, and it's not only a makeup because it also has a lot of skincare benefits. It has a sun protection and skin whitening and also some anti-aging properties. If I were to choose, I will opt for no foundation because for the longest time since March or since the quarantine has started, I am not using foundation since I don't go outside and there's no big event to wear as such. But for the purpose of this video and to show you a full face makeup look, ladies and gentlemen, foundation on my face. I prefer to use sponge because it goes well with the foundation and it blends and builds the product evenly on my face. Just make sure to dampen your sponge before using it and clean it afterwards. I don't have anything to conceal as I don't have much pimple marks and discoloration, but I do love using this concealer under my eye and also treat them because it has a skincare benefit that helps lighten the discoloration under my eye. You know, I'm a sucker for makeup products that also have skincare benefits because it gives long-term effect and saves you a lot of money. I also love baking. Baking cookies, breads, cupcakes, and well, this is a makeup video, so I'm baking this powder on my face and it's actually a makeup technique to create a flawless looking complexion. And we'll just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. This is one of my best buys during the lockdown. I did not expect that this product will give you a super pigmented and buttery palette that really pays off. See how pigmented it is? This palette has 7 glittery shades and 9 matte shades. The shade range is so versatile and you can use it for any style, from everyday, simple look to full glam. So we'll just add some glitters because who doesn't love glitters? And now we'll just dust off any excess powder which we baked a while ago. If there's one makeup product I can't live without, it's probably mascara. Even if I don't have foundation or lipstick, as long as I have mascara, I'm good to go. It makes my eyes popped and relieved, and who would have thought I just had 4 hours of sleep? I'm doing a cat eye here, but my eyeliner seems to be drying out. And now my eye makeup has done. For my contouring technique, I just drew a figure 3 on my temples, cheekbones, and jawline to create a structured illusion. As for the blush shade, I always prefer pink hues because it's more natural looking. Let's highlight the areas that are hit by light. This will give you a more natural and glass skin look. This is a brow soap from my own makeup line. It's organic and also has a lot of benefits because it helps thicken your brows. When it comes to lipsticks, my shade is either nude or red, and there's no in between. Just use your favorite face mist to seal everything and ensure that your makeup will last long. And I'm done. I hope you feel relaxed by watching this video, and please let me know any techniques or makeup trivia hacks you know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys are all safe and stay healthy.